So friends, to just bought this Subao bath toy. These are for the toddlers of 1 to 3 years of age, and it's a Dolphin model. The lights up bath toy. It's automatic induction fountain, and it's a bathtub toy with music and flashlight. So I think this can also be used for elder kids, 6 year and old. So this comes with the bath toy, a manual, and a screwdriver to put in the batteries. This holds 3 AAA batteries you have to put inside it, and the manual is pretty sure it have sensors for water, so it do not have any on and off switch, and it will sense when you put it in the water. So from the plastic, it's really looks good and premium, because it's a smooth ending. There is no curve and anything that hurts or harm the baby. And these have like the fountain on the top, the sound and the sensors on the corners. So I will just open this to put the batteries and show you the demo of this product. So this supplied the screwdriver, so it will be easy to open this screw, but you can also use any other screwdriver, whatever is easy for you. So as I said, it holds 3 AAA batteries, so I need to just put it here. So it's like a round design, and the contacts indicator, and so this I put the AAA battery, and as I said, there is no on and off switch. It have sensors on the back, like these 2 black ones, and just close it off. Close it tightly so that the water will not go inside, but this also have a waterproof pad, and you can see I just put it in the water just to show you the demo. It's a very soothing sound, and fountain is really good height. The music and the lightning is there's like a red and blue lights and green light, so looks good in water, and the bathtub the kids will enjoy. Right now I'm just showing you in a wash sink. Yeah, overall a good toy.